Well, good morning, everybody. It's a very beautiful April the 7th, which is the second or so week into the coronavirus. I've just seen one of our Westfields going in. So I'm up in Middlesbrough again, and seem to be coming up here a lot lately. And I'm back in my MAN as well, so that's good. Boris Johnson was admitted into intensive care yesterday, so things are looking very, very bad. I have a family member who's fighting for her life at the moment with it, and her husband also has got it as well. So I've got two family members. This not looking so good at the moment, so we're keeping a good eye on that. Just having a quick break before I go in because it's I'm slightly early, which is good. Gonna have a quarter of an hour break, and then I'm gonna go on in and tip. But at least we're still going. That's the main thing. It's my birthday tomorrow as well, so that should be fun. Sorry if I'm a bit dark. I wonder if I can add a bit of light by doing that. Yep, not made a lot of difference, is it? Apart from making it a bit noisier. Yeah. But all good anyway. Dringy's alright. And looking forward to what today brings and see how much I work this week. At the end of the week, it's bank holiday as well. I mean, normally we'd be looking forward to that so much. Yeah, normally we'd be looking forward to bank holiday so much, and yet this year you can't go anywhere, you can't do anything. The only thing I'm worried about is people going out because they've already had 10, 12 days locked up. So, and then, of course, the virus doesn't move itself. It's people that are moving it around. Oh, talking of which, I have got my hands on some sanitizer. Now, the good thing about this is that people didn't buy it because they didn't think it's hand gel, but they didn't think it was sanitizer. But it is alcohol, 70% proof. And it's got aloe vera, quick dry. I've been using it now for 1.5 days, and I've already used any, so it's going to last a while. So that's good. I'm doing my hands every time I get in and out of the lorry. I've also got my hand wash, which I'm also doing on occasions too, because that's better than sanitizer. But anyway, looking forward to seeing what content we can bring out today, and whether we're going to be loading. So I will keep you informed a bit later on. Cheers and gone. Well, that's much better. Tesco's are now allowing us to sit in our cabs in the passenger seat. Which is all good. You can even have a cup of coffee. Sit, make video. As you can see, I'm quite happy and jolly today. I'm not, because it's my birthday tomorrow. Although, I think I'd rather be out working than be in locked up indoors tomorrow. So there is another one of ours here. Mate of mine, Anton. He's got a short trailer on, which means I've got the taller trailer. So hoping for some bottles today. That'll do. God, it's nice. There they are. They're in the back of my trailer. Jesus. We don't normally see this, do we? Because we're normally sat in the canteen in the driver's area watching the old telly. But you can't be too careful now. You've just got to get out of the way. I think about 90% of all the drivers are all sat in the passenger seat of their cabs, you know? Be tipped in half an hour, I reckon. I'm half an hour early as well, so, and I've had a break, so I can drive and keep going, you know, once I'm tipped. Excellent. Well, good afternoon, Dringy here. I had a bit of a change of plan. I loaded the glass eventually, and but I'm actually going into Pallet Force tomorrow morning, and I'm picking up our 50-footer double decker. So that's going to be interesting, nice and different. So I'm not going to cook the fish and chips that I was originally going to do. So it's a normal microwave meal. I've got a lovely Hunter's chicken. Very nice, actually. Hunter's chicken. Because of the date. So I thought I'd better eat that first. And also, I'm on a 9-hour break again, so I'm just going to have something to eat, watch a bit of telly, and then crack on to bed. And it's going to be 4:30 in the morning start, quarter to 5. And then I'm going to pick up the 50-footer, go and load it, and then crack on down south. Back to the yard. So I'm looking forward to that. Should be alright. All good. So I've got the microwave on. Got my Hunter's chicken in it. It only takes 5 minutes. It's very nice, tasty, really. You know, it's got paprika potatoes as well. Very, very nice. Right, Dringy here, and it's now Easter bank holidays, and I'm at home starting a project that I wish I hadn't bothered. The roof had come off on my shed in a storm, and everything inside was absolutely ruined. But I am enjoying the rest. Garden's getting done, shed's getting done. I've got another whole day's work in there yet. What a mess. I'll show you. That's what I got so far to clear out. So as you can see, got a lot to do today, but it's nice and sunny, and get on with it. Have a gin later on and a couple of beers. And jobs are good. There's always tomorrow, bank holiday Monday. I'm back into work on Tuesday, nice and early. Nice early start on Tuesday morning. Tipping a load of concrete. And then, who knows? Anyway, I hope you stay safe. I hope you keep off the roads and keep off the streets and protect the NHS. And enjoy a weekend as best as you can, you know. And it's no different to me. I spend the entire weekend clearing up my shed, you know. My first bank holiday in, best part is probably 7 years. I spend it clearing my shed out. But it's got to be done. Stay safe, everybody, and enjoy yourself. Bye for now.